Hello to everyone, my name is M.Famiglietti. I will present the work done by the Italian association Comunera on solar cooking for people engagement in sustainable transition, an example in southern Italy. Comunera is an Italian association founded by researchers and environmental activists and is based in Irpinia, a region of southern Italy. As other rural areas, it is characterized by the population and low industrialization, therefore marked by agricultural and rural vocation. Our mission focusing on promoting ecological transition at local level, empowering community to lead sustainable change. For this, we encourage sustainable lifestyles through education, engagement, and practical initiative. We try to foster collaboration between research institutions, citizens, and local authorities. We try to co-create effective science-based solutions. We work to strengthen the resilience and the cohesion of local communities, building networks of mutual support and shared purpose. We work on supporting the development of solidarity-based renewable energy communities, ensuring access and shared benefits. In rural areas, it is often difficult to engage citizens in the ecological transition or in community-based activities. Solar cooking offers a practical method to involve disengaged citizens in activities which are easy to access and rich in educational content. As it combines science, education, social interaction, and sustainability, it has huge potential as a tool to engage people in sustainable transition. Solar cooking gives people the opportunity to learn the basics of solar energy, its fundamental physics, but also the limitations and the advantages of using solar. They can learn basic cooking skills using solar and conventional methods, but also they enhance their do-it-yourself skills through building or adapting new solar cookers. Moreover, it allows people to understand how to reduce energy consumption both in conventional and solar cooking activities. Besides, what is especially relevant in rural communities, promote social connection and create community networks around shared activities. During the last 2 years, we organized several workshops, demonstrations, and public events to introduce solar cooking techniques to local people. We delivered webinars and practical lessons focusing on solar cooking education in collaboration with the Italian Solar Cooking Association. Moreover, we engaged participants in building do-it-yourself solar cookers, promoting self-sufficiency and practical skills. We noticed as solar cooking is a powerful method to bring people together and introduce them to sustainability and new lifestyle. Here are some video stories from our public events and activities.